Welcome to another episode and video on my Arduino Mega2560. Connected to electronics and one fischertechnik switch, and with the purpose to control a circuit by means of pulse width modulation, as well as reading information back. Reading the information back is done with both analog values, voltage, as well as digital input, 1 or 0. And everything is programmed in Octave, mathematical programming language. Because things don't always go the way you expect. I'm trying to acquire the data, and even that is not consistent. Usually in mathematical programming you define a matrix or a vector, but since values change, if you have only two elements or one element, it is better to enlarge it. So what I did last time in the end was enlarging at least one of the data vectors. That succeeded. So focus now is on enlarging the rest as well, and see if I can get meaningful data out of it. And then hopefully I see this LED burning, the red one, which is when a cycle of the program has been completed, and this one hopefully when both pulse width modulation loops have given the output 1. And that is one of the other questions that are around. Why does the first pulse width routine always give 1, and why doesn't the other always give 1 as well? There's some logic in it, but if there was logic in it, it would never do it, assumably. But that's not always the case. So I hope to find out more. And with that, I switch to software. So the last thing that I did to enlarge a matrix is here to make V, to introduce V1, E is 1, and by the way, I expanded this to 6. At the end, I said, is 2. So here V1, etc. is now being expanded. And how that works out is shown here. And I need to press the button. I wonder why this is not entirely going good. It is going good, but the oscilloscope is set to the wrong value. Anyway, let's correct it. Now these are the values that I expect. Do I see a red LED? Or any other LED? that is end of a cycle. Decreasing the pulse modulation. End of cycle again, and no green LED. Right, so let's quit this and see whatever happens. Well, it's 6 and this is 1, 0, not okay. And here something goes straight because this is now 3, so it should be right here. And why is that then? Oh, see, and now we are here with a 1. So after 3 cycles, this is 1 cycle, this is 1 cycle, and this is 1 cycle, because here it one cycle, 1 cycle, 1 cycle, and here another 1. Ah, 2, 4, 6, 8. Alright, I'm okay with that. However, why is this one not noted? This is 1, this is 2, this should be 3, not going. However, I'm happy to note that it ends up with all this. So actually I might even say, going back to the editor, that this isn't even strictly necessary. Let's test that. If I can keep this as 2 and it still expands, I'm very curious. Let's go again. So press F5 and go for it. And I still wait for a red LED. There's the red LED. Cycle complete. At this time I won't expect a green LED next to it. How is this going to end up? An automated expansion of the whole vector. I would like that. But for that I have to go through more than 4 cycles actually. And I haven't been counting. So after this decrease, yeah, that's another one. And let's just go on for just another one. Cancel then, or not cancel, but quit, and then see whatever has happened. Okay, let's do it after this one. Yep. Alright. Quit. So now let's see whatever has happened. It's 2, 3, yes, which is 4, 5, 6. Oh, this is excellent. Yes. Okay, so I know this is working. Yes. Oh, magnificent. Yes. Alright. So, quit. Now I know that this will be working. I don't have to worry about the other ones. Although that is not strictly true. Because I have V3, V4, V41, etc. and I have to initialize them first, I think. So let me do that. And then do exactly the same as the others. That will be an excellent idea. So what I have done now is not tested, but I have made every I've initialized each vector and put all beginnings at 0. So the result is that 0 plus 1 is 1, so I am adding each one to the first element. Then I add everything plus 1 again. If this has the same working out as, or the same kind of result as V1, then with read analog pin and read voltage I should have multiple values under each other. Let's test. I am now getting very curious about the results. F5 work. And then I have to press the switch as well. Oh, well, something is not going to work out. Oh wait, no, this won't work. That is because this works. Once again, holding the switch, go. Now it works, yes. And of course I need to run several loops. This being one, very good. Oh, that will be a nice one, that it now actually shows everything. 1 0. Oh, this shows that it has stopped for some reason. Really? Why? Why did it stop? Subscripts must be either integers or logicals. So this didn't work out at all. That is too bad. Oh, wait, yeah. +1. Correct. Forgot that one. Okay, again. That is, oh, a 1-1. And it has ended. Why did it end? That is clearly a 1-1. V6E, undefined. Why? Near line 78, 87. V6E undefined. Yeah, correct. V6E undefined. Yeah, I definitely forgot that one. Alright, let's go again. Go here, hold the switch. That is better. Now I see something. And yes, this is also a disadvantage of the whole setup, because it shows that it is an interpreter, not a compiler. So you only find the message when, or you find the error when it comes across that particular condition or error. In this case there are not many conditions. But nevertheless. And that's another one. You notice, by the way, in the last attempt that the green LED showed 00. You can see it on screen here. This one was definitely 1. So it still happens. And that's one more. Alright, let's quit and let's find the result. Oh, look at this. I love this. Yes, definitely. No worries. Look at those different figures. Look here, all different figures. Why? Why are they not the same? that is something to wonder about. I could plot them. Use of it is not a thing, but I could plot them. Now it is rather clear that this could work. One other thing, this is obviously not correct with just one value, but it turns out that I had forgotten to add this line. Another thing that I mentioned, plotting. However, plotting requires that you have a timeline. This is obviously not a timeline, so I need to introduce something else. So I will introduce time or t, or well, let's just say time is, let's say, no, time will be 1, and I think that is best, and then say here time will be time plus 1, and in that way I can indeed hopefully make things plottable. So let's go, run, and hold this one. Oh wait, it ends immediately, but for what? Oh, right, that is better. Attempt number 2, or 3, or 4, or 5. And now I do need some cycles. So I assume this is cycle 1 then. And the end of cycle 2 is near. Yep. Yes. On the board itself you see absolutely nothing, although every now and then an LED flashing for serial contact. And serial, yes, it is serial because USB is serial, universal serial bus. So yes, it is still serial. It's not the same protocol as RS232, which works in a completely different way, both softwarematically as in hardware. Different voltage, for example, very different connector, very different hardware, but serial nevertheless. That is just another cycle. Let's just one more. And that will be it. So quit. Now only 2. Oh, that is not much. Oh no, look at this, look at this. Goes way forward. Yes. Alright. Oh, look at this. So much difference. So much difference. Here too. Yeah, it is unbelievable how much difference there is. Okay, so I have time is 7. So time to make a plot then. Plot. Let's say time versus let's take V6. I'm not quite sure if that will work. Well, I get something, but I don't know what I'm getting now. This is no figure. V6 79 till 250. Well, this is obviously time. But what am I looking at? I'm not quite sure what I'm looking at. Okay, that needs some more study to see how that will work. Anyway, for these, but these results are quite nice. The improved algorithm is quite nice now. So I can, with one big question, as long as I hold the switch, why are the values so different? Does it have to do with the pulse modulation? Could be. So this increasing and then decreasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing. No, that makes no sense. Although this is increasing, decrease, no, another decrease. No, that makes no sense. Okay, I guess that's it for now. So, with this much improved algorithm, I found that data is indeed varying very much. I have to find out about plotting the values like this, but things are much clearer now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please donate to keep videos coming to you and to support my website with the blog. And you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned as a supporter. Your name will be shown on my website and depending on the pledge also with the videos. Donate can via PayPal and Wired. More information under the video, URL of my website. This is obviously going to be continued. Have a nice day and bye bye.